At WorthPoint, we believe every object has a story. WorthPoint is partnering with the film Lost and Found in Cleveland to bring pop-up valuations to a city near you. Whether big, small, personal, emotional, grandiose, or historical, objects tell us about their past and that of their owners. Every day's an Easter egg hunt. You don't know what you're going to find and discover. In our pop-up valuations, WorthPoint will help you discover the history and value of your most prized possessions.
Oh my God.
Come join WorthPoint and our friends from the movie Lost and Found in Cleveland on weekends from October 18th to November 16th to discover the story behind your most prized possessions. To kick off our pop-up valuation tour, WorthPoint is holding a contest. To enter, submit a 30 to 60 second video showing your most prized possession and discussing its importance. WorthPoint will take one lucky winner and guest on a tour of Cleveland's antiquing scene.
We did it!
Discover new treasures and take in sights traveling around Cleveland's antique shops and flea markets.